Looking for the best kitchen faucet in 2026? Whether you're remodeling your kitchen or simply upgrading your sink, the right faucet can improve convenience, efficiency, and style. In this video, we've selected the best kitchen faucets you can buy right now, featuring durable construction, sleek designs, pull-down sprayers, touchless technology, and exceptional performance. Let's find the perfect kitchen faucet for your home. Starting at number 1. WEWE High-Arc Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. The WEWE Kitchen Faucet is designed for versatility and ease of use, making it suitable for various settings such as bars, kitchens, laundry rooms, and RVs. It features a sleek tulip design in brushed nickel that complements most sinks. The faucet is deck-mounted and constructed from durable materials, including a 0.06 in 300 stainless steel body and a ceramic cartridge, ensuring long-lasting performance. With a single handle for easy temperature and flow control, it offers a high-arc 360-degree swivel spout for full washing access. The multifunctional outlet provides 3 spray settings: stream, spray, and pours, allowing for efficient water use with a flow rate of 1.8 gallons per minute. Installation is straightforward, with pre-installed hoses that enable a DIY setup in under 15 minutes, eliminating the need for a plumber. Additionally, the faucet's superior finish resists dirt buildup, making maintenance simple, while its lead-free and leak-resistant design promotes safety and water conservation. Included components are a deck plate, instruction manual, mounting accessories, and a warranty card. Number 2. Kraus Oletto Pull-Down Faucet. The Kraus Oletto Pull-Down Faucet is a contemporary kitchen fixture designed for ease of use and style. With a height of 16 and 5/8 inches, a spout height of 8 and 3/4 inches, and a reach of 8 and 7/8 inches, this deck mount faucet swivels 360 degrees to provide maximum maneuverability. It features a dual-function sprayer that allows users to switch between an aerated stream and a powerful spray, while the easy-clean nozzles help prevent mineral buildup for long-lasting performance. The faucet is constructed from durable brass and is available in a striking matte black, spot-free black stainless finish that resists corrosion, fading, and tarnishing. Its single-hole installation is compatible with most kitchen sinks and comes with an installation-ready kit that includes pre-attached water lines and mounting hardware. Overall, the Oletto pull-down faucet combines functionality with a sophisticated aesthetic, making it an ideal choice for modern kitchens. Number 3. Kraus Kitchen Faucet Features. The Kraus Kitchen Faucet features a commercial pull-down design, showcasing an industrial open-coil spout that enhances both aesthetics and functionality. With dimensions of 22¼ inches in height, a spout height of 6½ inches, and a spout reach of 8 3/8 inches, it swivels 360 degrees for maximum maneuverability. The faucet boasts an eco-friendly flow rate of 1.8 GPM and is finished in a proprietary spot-free antique champagne bronze that resists water spots and fingerprints, making it easy to maintain. Constructed from 100% lead-free brass with a metal body, this faucet promises durability and long-lasting performance. It features reach technology for an easy-retract hose with a swivel adapter, a secure docking arm for the spray head, and a 3-function spray head that includes an aerated stream, powerful spray, and a pours function. The high-arc spout provides ample space for oversized items, while the premium ceramic cartridge ensures leak-free use. Designed for easy installation, it comes with pre-attached nylon water lines and mounting hardware, allowing for single-hole installation compatible with any kitchen sink. Additionally, it is ADA compliant with a smart handle design that operates with a 90-degree forward rotation, making it suitable for tighter spaces. For a coordinated look, it can be paired with the Kraus Kitchen Soap and Lotion Dispenser, KSD 53, in matching finish, and it comes with a lifetime limited warranty backed by top-rated customer service. Number 4. Delta Kitchen Faucet. The Delta Kitchen Faucet is designed for versatility and ease of use, featuring a sleek matte black finish and a brushed metal construction. It is suitable for deck mounting and can be installed in single or 3-hole configurations, with an optional deck plate available for the latter. This faucet incorporates innovative technologies such as diamond seal technology, which minimizes leak points and extends the product's lifespan, ensuring reliable operation. The ProClean Kitchen Spray Wand offers a powerful cleaning spray that effectively tackles tough messes, while an integrated LED spotlight provides additional lighting for thorough cleaning. With a focus on durability, the faucet's corrosion-resistant finish surpasses industry standards. Additionally, it comes with a 5-year limited warranty, allowing users to install it with confidence. The faucet can be activated through touch, hand proximity, or traditional handle use, making it a convenient choice for any kitchen. Number 5. Delta Kitchen Faucet. The Delta Kitchen Faucet is designed for versatility and ease of use, featuring a sleek brushed matte black finish that complements a transitional style. It can be mounted on the deck and is made of durable metal, ensuring longevity. This faucet offers multiple activation methods, allowing users to start and stop the water flow by simply placing their hand near the faucet, tapping the surface, or using the standard handle. The ProClean Kitchen Spray Wand delivers a powerful, wide fan spray that efficiently tackles tough messes and covers more surface area for quicker cleaning. With patented diamond seal technology, this faucet is engineered to last twice as long as industry standards, minimizing leak points for reliable performance. Additionally, its corrosion-resistant finish has been tested to exceed industry standards, enhancing its durability. The faucet is designed for single-hole installation but can accommodate 1 or 3-hole setups with the optional deck plate available separately. To ensure a secure fit and prevent leaks, a gasket seal is included. Furthermore, it comes with a 5-year limited warranty, providing peace of mind for homeowners during installation and use. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helped you choose the perfect kitchen faucet for your home. If you're interested in any of the faucets featured in this video, all the product links are available in the video description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home improvement reviews, buying guides, and the latest product recommendations. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.